At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A mental health release of information form allows mental health practitioners to legally share a patient's confidential information with third parties such as other healthcare providers, insurance companies, or even family members. This becomes essential when sharing patient records is necessary for ongoing treatment, processing insurance claims, or meeting legal requirements. Under federal and state privacy laws, sharing confidential patient information without consent can lead to serious violations. This form allows practitioners to consult with other professionals or transfer records without breaching these regulations. It's especially useful for securely sharing information on sensitive topics like substance use or mental health conditions, and includes essential contact details and authorizations. The form clearly outlines what information will be disclosed, to whom it's shared, and for how long the authorization remains valid. It protects the patient's privacy while facilitating the sharing of necessary details for continued care or insurance purposes, ensuring a smooth and legal transition. Before presenting this form to a patient, it's essential to understand each section to address any questions. Let's break down the process. First, download the template. Start by downloading the Mental Health Release of Information form. This template is HIPAA compliant and you can access it through the link in the description or signing up to Carepatron for free. Complete relevant details. Help the patient fill out the form. Ensure their personal information, the healthcare provider's details, and the specifics of what's to be disclosed are accurately entered. The patient should also specify the purpose of the release, be it for legal, insurance, or continuity of care. Set authorization and expiration terms. Discuss with the patient the limits of the authorization, including any limitations on information sharing and the expiration date. Confirm they understand the scope and timeline of the release to maintain HIPAA and privacy compliance. Obtain the proper signatures. Ensure the patient signs in the designated area if the patient is a minor. The form must be signed by a parent or legal guardian. For patients who cannot authorize themselves, a legal representative should sign. Submit the form. Once completed, you or your administrative team can submit the signed form to the intended recipient. It's also important to retain a copy in the patient's medical records for future reference. Patients can use this form to request the disclosure of their own information for reasons like insurance claims, legal matters, transferring practices, or for personal reference. If you'd like to see a sample of our mental health release of information form, check out the example we've provided, and to explore more templates or learn how Carepatron can simplify your practice management, visit our website and sign up for free. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.